Hey everybody, I am going to try to do this in under 5 minutes, but I'm going to show you how easy Swooped is to use. And you can either sign up through Google right here, or you can enter your email, set up a password, and then get started for free. So I already signed up with Google. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and hit login, and it's this easy, right? I'm going to go select my account. For this purpose, I've already set a Google account up, but when you sign in or sign up, this is the landing page that it's going to direct you to. And you can start playing around with it immediately. So you can hit search for jobs. You can also get the Chrome extension set up, or you can just jump into optimizing your cover letter or your resume. So in this dashboard, you are going to see how many job applications you sent out this week, and you can update your goal here. And also you can take a look at the pipeline. So how many jobs you've saved, how many jobs you have applied to, and how many jobs you are interviewing for. And then you can also go and set up your job match preferences. So here in the job tracker tab, you are going to have another dashboard where you're going to have another layer of tabs where you will have your saved, your applied, and your interviewing application stages, or if you've closed, whether it didn't work out or it didn't go anywhere, and it's been weeks, you would just hit close and it would go under this tab. And then in the resume tab, this is where you would upload an existing resume or several versions of your resume, and this is where you would go and optimize based on your job description. And similar thing, if you've already got cover letters, you've got a job description you want to customize the cover letter to, this is where you would go and do all of that. And this is your job board. So here is where you are going to update the job titles, the experience, the salary you're looking for, the location, and what kind of office requirements you're looking for. You can also go over to your profile and get all of that updated as well. So here is where you would enter your name, your location, if you want to share some of your social media handles, your website, and anything else that you would like to share. Here you would update all of your notification preferences. This is also the same thing, but for your jobs. This is where you would go and select and manage your subscription. If you feel that the free tier isn't enough, you can check it out for a month. It's $39. Or if you choose to choose a longer trial, like 3 months, it's $10 off the monthly rate. So you're going to be paying $29 a month for 3 months. And then you can also buy the annual subscription. That's at $144, and that ends up roughly coming out to $12 a month. So your decision, but that was Swooped for you.